The Chitrik Academy is dedicated in loving memory of Rabbi Tzvi Hirsh Chitrik.
Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn from Mar Zutra over here until Tanya over here. In our previous lesson, we had learned that if a Talmud Chacham, if a Torah scholar, if he's untruthful in only three areas, which is common for them to be untruthful, then even if they lose a pot or a vessel that has no siman on it, if they only lie in these three things, then we will return the pot to them if they say that they recognize it's theirs. What are these three things? The first thing is Meseches, which Masechta. If someone asks them if they are knowledgeable in a certain Masechta, they may say no because they want to be humble. Bepuria, if someone asks them which bed they slept on, because of tznius reasons, they would not be truthful. And B'shpiza, if someone asks them who was their host, and it was a good host, they would not say who hosted them because people may take advantage of them. So if a Talmud Chacham is only untruthful in these three things, then even if his vessel has no siman, but he says that he recognizes it's his, then we would return it to him. However, if he's untruthful in not only these three things, but in more things as well, then if his vessel has no siman, we will not give back to him just by him saying that it belongs to him. In today's lesson, we are going to learn another case of a Talmud Chacham who has gone wrong, and I guess we wouldn't return an object to him as well. Mar Zutra Chasida. There's a Moira named Mar Zutra Chasida. And once, Agniv Lei, it was stolen from him, from his host, Kasa de Chaspa, a silver cup. A silver cup was stolen from his host. Mushpiza, from his host. Mushpiza is a host. And they didn't know who stole it. Chazia, however, Mar Zutra Chasida, Chazia, he saw Lahu Bar Beirav, to a certain young student, Demashe Yadei, he washed his hands, V'nagiv Biglima de Chavrei, and he dried it on his friend's garment, on his friend's coat. So when he saw that this person was drying his hands on someone else's coat, Amar, so Mar Zutra Chasida said, Hainu Hai, this is the thief. How do we know? How did he know? Deloi ichbas lei amamayna de Chavrei. He did not bother him. He wasn't careful. Amamayna de Chavrei, on the money of his friend. That's why Mar Zutra Chasida accused this person of stealing the silver cup. Katvei, so what they did was, Katvei, they tied this student up, they tied him up, V'aidei, and he actually admitted to stealing the silver cup. So we see that as a Talmud Chacham is not careful, either in being untruthful, like we mentioned earlier, or even just by seeing that he's not careful in someone else's money, then we could already assume and we could already be worried that maybe he's untruthful, and therefore, even if an item that he claims belongs to him, that he recognizes it, if he either lies more than 3 times or we see that he's not truthful, then we would not return to him because we would not believe him. This is the end of this lesson.